And now it's time for the Sea Lion Splash. This is Sea Lion leader Avery Yoon with this week's announcements. Welcome back, Sea Lions. Let's have a great week of school. Parent conferences continue on Monday. All students will have early dismissal at 12:30 p.m. Live classes begin on Tuesday after school. Remember the name of your class and have arrangements for pickup. Heads up, Sea Lions. We have an earthquake drill on Wednesday at 10:45 a.m. Be sure to listen to your teacher. The pageant cast party is on Thursday at 2:20 p.m. Make sure you bring your clean costumes. The Jogathon assembly is on Friday at 10 a.m. We are sending Miss Wood and Mr. Larson through a human car wash. We're also going to watch a skateboarding demonstration. Project Seek's event is on Friday night at 5:30 p.m. Thank you, parents and community members, for your generous donations. Make sure you wear your Start With Hello t-shirts on Friday. Thank you so much, Sea Lions. Have a great week. We got a robot.
All right, turn it in. High five. All right.
UTK.
It's time to celebrate raw behavior at the School by the Sea. We're going to kick it off with UTK student Noelle Berg. Noelle has been checked in and completing all of her classwork. She is a great participant in all of her discussions, and she's an overall very responsible student. Way to go, Noelle.
Kindergarten.
Next up, put your hands together to celebrate kindergarten student Brooklyn Griffey. Miss Kim said that Brooklyn was a great listener when we had a substitute teacher. That's right, you guys. Let's treat our guest teachers with respect.
First grade.
Our superstar librarian, Mrs. Jenks, wants to celebrate first grader Annabelle Schulte. She said that Annabelle was able to follow all the steps to use the catalog and find her library book all on her own. Way to go, kiddo. Thanks for listening and being a great student.
Second grade.
Second grade teacher Mrs. Lee wants to celebrate her student Cora Lee. She said that Cora is always focused, she's thorough, and she's so very kind to all of her friends. We want to say thank you, Cora, for being someone we can all look up to.
Third grade.
Mrs. Samari wants to celebrate third grader Robbie Jackson. She said that Robbie was super responsible in STEM, and we need more and more people to be responsible with their materials and to listen intently so that they can complete their projects. Way to go, Robbie.
Fourth grade.
We're all excited to celebrate fourth grader Jackson Dyer. You see, he's been helping out on the field every single day. He brings the soccer goals back and reminds classmates to help as well. Thanks, Jackson, for being a leader in and out of the classroom.
Fifth grade.
Fifth grade teacher Mrs. Salmonis wants to celebrate her student, Bella Rosales. She said, great job, Bella, for having all your classwork and all your homework complete. Way to stay on top of those things. And there you have it, McGaw. Now remember, listen to your teachers, follow instructions from your parents, take a risk, and I'll see you on campus. Bye.